Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashanth. So in this session we will be defining a shipping point and its various assignments like assigning to a plant and then shipping point determination and assigning picking location determination. So let's dive. So navigate to the transaction SPRO or SIMG and go to enterprise structure, definition, logistics execution, and here click on define shipping point. So click on new entries, enter your shipping point D99, say unique shipping point as a description. So factory calendar 01, take it as a Germany standard. Working times, if you need, you can maintain. You can enter the determined loading time in number of days, peak pack time in number of days, and click address, enter the address details, unique shipping point, region DE, country DY, postal code, Munich, and the city, and save. So click on save. Okay. And now we have defined the new shipping point. Now the next activity is to assign this shipping point to our plant. Go back now on enterprise structure, click on assignment, go to logistics execution here, assign shipping point to plant. So Control F, find, enter D99, so select the plant, click on assign, and from the pop-up menu, select your shipping point, scroll down till you find your shipping point. See, you can select D99 and click on OK, click on save. Capture the configuration changes in your TR, go back. Now we need to do some shipping point determination and picking location. Further, from SPRO, go to logistics execution, go to uh, shipping, basic shipping functions, shipping point and goods receiving point determination. Now select assign shipping points. Execute. So click on new entries, enter the shipping conditions 01 loading group which comes from the material master data and plant D99 and shipping point as D99. Save your entries. So when you finish the shipping point determination, which is an important question also, like shipping conditions and loading group from material master data and plant. With this combination, the shipping point is determined. So go back, and here from same shipping tab, click on picking. So here, select determine picking location. So here, select assign picking location. Go to new entries, enter the shipping point D99, plant D99, and storage conditions. Select 01. Storage location, your storage location, which can be determined D99. Save. And thank you for watching this video. In this activity, uh, we have defined a new shipping point and assigned our shipping point to plant, and then we configured shipping point determination and assign the picking location. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe my video channel Learn SAP with Prashanth.